Why do children resemble their parents? Why are no two siblings exactly alike? The answer lies in the fascinating field of genetics, which explores heredity and variation. So let's see about heredity is the process through which parents pass traits to their offspring. Variation refers to the differences among individuals of the same species. Together, these principles explain the diversity of life and lay the foundation for biology and medicine. Next, let's see about Mendel's law of inheritance. In 1800s, Gregor Mendel discovered patterns of inheritance by experimenting with pea plants. His observations gave rise to three laws: dominance, some traits mask others. Dominant traits overpower recessive ones. Segregation, allele pairs separate during gamete formation. This gamete gets one allele. Independent assortment, genes for different traits are inherited independently. For example, in a monohybrid cross, we get a 3:1 ratio. In dihybrid cross, we typically observe a 9:3:3:1 ratio. These predictable patterns helped how trait pass across generation. Deviation from Mendelian inheritance. However, not all traits follow Mendel's simple law. Let's explore the exceptions. When neither allele is completely dominant, the result is a blend, like red and white snapdragons producing pink flowers. Here both alleles express equally. A classic example is the AB blood group, where both A and B antigens are present. Some traits are controlled by more than two alleles, like the ABPO blood group system. Traits like height or skin color result from multiple genes acting together. Chromosomal basis of inheritance. The chromosome theory of inheritance connects genes to specific chromosomes. Genes on the same chromosome can be linked, meaning they are inherited together. But during recombination, crossing over shuffles alleles increase variation. By studying crossover frequencies, scientists can create chromosomal maps to locate genes, sex determination, and sex-linked traits. Sex in humans is determined by X and Y chromosomes. Females have XX and males have XY. Some traits are sex-linked, carried on the X chromosome. Since males have only one X, these traits often appear more in males. Example: hemophilia and color blindness. Mutations are change in DNA that can affect gene function. Chromosome mutation affect entire chromosome structure or members. Frame shift mutations can drastically alter proteins. Mutations like radiation and chemicals can trigger these mutations. Next, let's see about genetic disorders and pedigree analysis. Genetic disorders fall into two main categories: cystic fibrosis patient animation results from a single gene defect like cystic fibrosis. Chromosomal disorders like Down syndrome are due to abnormalities and chromosome number. Pedigree analysis helps track inheritance patterns across generations, especially for genetic counseling and disease prediction. From pea plants to chromosomes, the principles of inheritance and variation continue to shape our understanding of life. Genetics not only explains how we inherit traits but also holds the key to breakthrough in medicines, agriculture, and beyond. Thank you.